How to restore Snapstreak without paying. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can restore our Snapstreak without paying. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So remember, Snapstreak doesn't really allow you to store Snapstreak without paying actually, but there is a method on how you can do it for once or twice. So first of all, make sure you have an updated app because the new update of Snapchat allows you to restore streaks about 5 times in a month. So just make sure you have updated. If you have already used the 5 times Snapstreak restore, then you may just simply go to your profile. After that, tap on your settings. So what you can do is simply get to your settings, and after there just scroll down until you see support and feedback. After that, simply tap on help center and wait for it to be loaded. After it is loaded, you can simply see this I have lost my Snapstreak. Just tap on it, and here you can see this form. You can just simply tap on this form. After that, you need to fill up this form, and Snapchat will restore your streak. But remember, this is a method which you can use for a single account and can be used only one time. So therefore, by following this method, you can restore your streak on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.